Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. Sagittarians, what is July 2023 bringing for you? New gifts, challenges, and special things. Let us take a look at what's coming your way. The Hangman, a time of not exactly being very forthcoming in terms of actions, a time to actually, this is a month where you will feel that things are not really happening. Things have come to a standstill. But this is also a month where you will come to a few realizations, a few enlightenments. And these realizations will be important because they will then propel your life forward. You will feel that the phase in which things had come to a standstill, because of what I realized in that phase, later after July, you will realize that things are now moving as a result of what I learned in this phase. King of Swords, time to develop your skills in terms of intellect, in terms of communication. You will stay wise this month. You will stand by the truth. You will stand for all that is ethical and morally correct. You will stay strong. You may also come across such people in your life. Okay, this card wants to say something to us. Five of Pentacles. Clearly, this is a month which has its own challenges, and also somewhere this is not a month where you will see a lot of things happening. This is actually a month for you, Sagittarius, where things will be at a standstill. You may feel left out. You may feel that things are not progressing. However, it is a clear indication that I see here that whatever you learn, and not just learn, but truths that you uncover in this time will act as the key to your future. So this is actually a time to develop how you see things, how you perceive things, and you will experience a shift in how you perceive things in this month. So if you're looking for a lot of drama or a lot of things to happen, changes, etc., then this is definitely not the month. But this is the month which will act as an incubator to propel you as a person, change you as a person, so that what changes needs to come to your life will occur later, not now. Let us look at how you're feeling, what your mind frame is like, mood is like in this month. Existence, you will feel connected. You will try and seek answers. Again, it's a reflective mood completely for you. Suppression. You may feel sad, Sagittarians, which is actually quite unlike your true nature. You're usually an optimistic zodiac. And yet, due to certain life circumstances where you are feeling excluded, you are feeling that You wish luck were on your side, and you're feeling probably unlucky. And as a result of whatever whatever negativity that you're feeling, you're trying to kind of just suppress it. Maybe you're feeling too overburdened by it, even for that matter, this month. So it's a challenging month for you, Sagittarius. Let us look at what you should keep your focus on in this month. On target, follow your ideal life path. Yes, the focus needs to stay right there, right here. That which is ideal, idyllic, that which is ethical and moral. You need to find your true self. You need to find the truth, because that will be the eventual key to your future, which we have already discussed. That will be the eventual key to the change that you're looking for, Sagittarians. Let us look at what you need to, release maybe, or any positive messages for you that the cards have. Reject any desire to be like others. You are an incomparable, precious jewel. That's a beautiful message for you, Sagittarians. And in fact, that which is precious in Sagittarians is usually their optimism, their unique ability to stay positive even when things are going rough. And focus on that which is amazing, the amazing part of you, because chances are that you may feel a little low this month. Let us draw out a fantastic. This card wants to say something. Let us. What do I know without knowing why or how? Crack. Okay, so stay close to your intuition and try to find out. Try and dig in deep. All cards are repeatedly telling you to listen to your intuition and your inner guidance. Have faith in you. It's a lot of inner work for you this month, Sagittarians. It's a lot of having faith in yourself, because things are not turning out. Things are not really turning up. Things are not developing. Things are not moving. And somewhere you will begin to doubt yourself as a result of seeing that things are not really moving. But you need to kind of find the strength to believe in yourself, despite the fact that things are not really moving. Look for your answers within. So, Sagittarian, this is your overall reading for the month. Let us move to the next spread. In the second spread, we will see how every little area, we will look at it minutely, and we will see what's coming up in every little area, every area in detail in your life. What's coming up there? Your first card, Sagittarians, is the Emperor card. You will be perceived as a strong person. You will be perceived as a kingly and royal person this month. The world will see you as a provider, as someone who stands for what he believes in, someone who takes care of his own. Ace of Cups. you will really feel connected to your family. You feel that love and enjoy the love with your family. You will, when you communicate to someone, they will feel the sweetness in your voice. This month is a month where you will be able to talk lovingly, express yourself lovingly. Also a fantastic month for financial opportunities. Queen of Coins, a lot of hard work, and not only hard work but smart work. You will be able to grow things through smart work. Also a great time to make your younger siblings feel at home. They will feel comfortable with you. Fantastic month for growth for all media professionals or anyone in the communication, writing or creative industries. The Hierophant, fantastic. A good month for support from your mother, from your, you will feel, even though we did see a couple of cards earlier where you were suppressing a few things which you may do, but overall your heart will stay with your mother and with your family for that matter. Also, this is a good month to be building a home, building a family, bringing comfort to your life. The Hermit, okay. Your children want to stay to themselves this month. Not really in a forthcoming mood. You will not find too much communication happening with your children, and also you may feel that even with your romantic partner, with your loved one. If you are single, then this is not a month where you can expect any new relationships starting. For studies, this is a good month where you will reflect and try to understand your subjects. Good month for education also. Two of Cups. Again, a good month for getting loans, for converting your enemies into friends, also for legal proceedings. This is a month where you will be successful through the love that you express with your words. Magician card. Fantastic month for marital bliss. You can start new partnerships. You can start new businesses. And you will see yourself enjoying your marital life thoroughly this month. Five of Coins. Okay, again feeling that left out feeling. Again, we had pulled up the Five of Pentacles earlier, and I see you feeling that, especially you're going to kind of dig deep in and feel a little lonely. So that is there. Okay, any kind of negativity which may have cropped up in the past with your superiors or bosses or father, or maybe had you been feeling anti-religious of late, this is a good month to clear that off and start afresh. You'll be able to release the past and you'll be able to find the light within. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if the realizations that you're looking for, the intrinsic questioning that you have been doing is related to something regarding religion or your father, superiors, guru, etc., or your spiritual things or education. Even this is also a fantastic month for people seeking higher education, PhDs, etc. Let us look at your career. Queen of Wands, fantastic month again. Lots of work. Queen of Coins and Queen of Wands. You will see a blasting growth in your career, in your place of work. You will work hard, you will work passionately, and you will see the results of it. 10 of Cups. You will stay connected to your friends. Feel that love, feel that bond with even your older siblings and your friends. And yes, you will find your desires getting fulfilled. Last card for you, 9 of Coins. Okay. So all sorts of, should I say, desires around not spending too much money seem to be coming through. Also, for those who are into spirituality and meditation, this is a fantastic month. You will feel that connect, and spiritual progress will be yours. So Sagittarians, this is what your month looks like. Do take very good care of yourselves. I will see you again in another video. Bye bye.